the pumpkin patch. We're going to pumpkin patch.
It's that time of year. Time to go to the pumpkin patch.
Everybody clap your hands.
Wait, clap your hands. There you go. My parents are still in town, so they get to come with us this year. Lucas has the day off of work today. It's a good day, huh, Judah?
Yeah.
Gosh, Asher, you're so strong. I'm so happy that today's vlog is sponsored and fueled by Magic Mind. Back in like March and April, I did a 15-day trial of Magic Mind and it blew my mind. If you don't remember, I'll link the videos down below, but I gave quite a bit of information on Magic Mind and what it does. Basically, it's a nootropic drink that improves your cognitive functions. It's hard for me to say, I don't know why. Cognitive functions. It helps your brain. It keeps you focused. It keeps you energized. It improves your productivity. Back in the spring, I tried these drinks for the first time. Loved them. Since then, I have been trying to find a drink that compares to Magic Mind. I have looked everywhere and I have not been able to find a drink that compares to Magic Mind, and that is 100% true. This drink has matcha in it, which keeps you focused, keeps you energized. It has lion's mane mushrooms, which are my favorite. I love lion's mane mushrooms. It improves your blood flow and cognition. Turmeric, which reduces inflammation. Ashwagandha, which reduces stress. So many things. Reduces stress, keeps you energized, keeps you focused, helps your memory. So many great things in this one nootropic drink. So they suggest that you take this with your morning caffeine. So I already drank my morning coffee and now I'm ready to drink this, and I'm gonna be energized for my entire pumpkin patch day, which is so perfect because days like this with little kids, you need all the extra energy you can get. And it's so small, so you can take it in your purse and take it anywhere. I'm ready to pumpkin patch. Let's do it. Sweet, we got a wagon. That's a lot easier to push than the stroller. This is the way to travel at a pumpkin patch. You gotta get a wagon and carry your kids in it. The big old sand wheels. Yeah, that's the way to go. We're gonna do this corn maze. It's a little baby corn maze.
Mommy, you leading?
Oh, you want me to lead? I'm gonna get lost.
Here we go.
Okay. You're never gonna get lost in here? Well, luckily they have an emergency exit just in case. Is this just a giant circle?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Well, Chelsea, spoiler alert. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It's more of a spiral.
Now are we lost?
I think so. I think we are lost. I don't know where we are or how we get out. How do we get out of here?
I think we're halfway there.
Oh, okay. Wait a second. Oh, we found the exit. We did it. High five. Woo, you guys did it. You did it. You made it out.
All right, let's do this.
Look at this view.
I can see everything up here.
How'd you get all the way up here?
We climbed. Climb one more step.
I sure
And
want to
see?
look at the spiders. Find spiders.
Let's go.
Now we're all up here. We're king of the hills. See you guys. I'll just stay up here by myself. That's a big spider. Are you scared of these spiders?
Yes. Don't let that smile deceive you. They're evil.
Yeah, he does look pretty friendly. Nice. King of the spider.
It's Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Next stop, the giant pumpkin.
You go to the eye. There you go. Okay, you go to the nose.
Now it's picture time here.
Good, mommy.
Whoa, that pumpkin has a huge Asher booger. Gross. Blech.
Judah, what are we doing now?
Riding the tractor.
Asher, how big are those wheels? This big? Now for the boys' favorite part, we're second. It's really easy with these giant wheels. It pulls so nice.
I'm gonna get in, Asher.
Oh, Grandpa's getting in. Scoot over for Grandpa.
Here we go.
Can you pull him, Judah? Didn't work. Oh wow, we got another tunnel? There are tunnels everywhere around here. Next up, we're gonna pet some ducks. They're so cute.
All right, time to go see the ducks. You got some food? All right, you just gotta hold it out and they'll come get it.
Here's it.
Oh, there you go.
Dude, this is so crazy. This is so tickling. We have some food. Hey, we got some food. Hey, want some food? I thought you want some food.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Here comes one, here comes one.
Oh, that's me, that's me, that's me. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, they're getting Judah's food. Here, we'll do this.
Ow, I got two.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, you got two of them.
Oh, wait, I got three. I got four. Oh, I got four.
Oh, that kind of hurts.
They're forceful little eaters.
They're a lot more forceful than I
little
thought.
eaters. Good job, good job. Nice. Way to go, crew.
Time to play on the little wooden train. Where are you guys headed? Where's your train going?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're just on a train? Where are you guys gonna go? You gonna go to Grandma's house?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, those are cute little seats in there. Look how cute little seats.
Oh.
Dining area. You can eat your dinner here.
What you guys eating in the dining car?
I mean, some pizza.
Good
Maybe some
choice.
pizza.
Good choice.
They don't even know where they're going.
Oh,
Where the train's
goodness.
headed.
You're just going, huh?
Let's go.
Where'd Judah go? Oh wow, he's in the tunnel. The tunnel that doesn't go anywhere because that's on the front. So he's just in the tunnel. Look at the goat up there. That's so fun when they climb on this whole thing. Oh, leave it to Grandpa to have quarters.
Okay,
Grandpa got some
Hold on to it. Hold on
quarters.
to it. Put it right here, and then turn it.
There we go, get it all.
All right, he's gonna put it down the chute. Feed some
Gotta
goats.
feed
Here
the
comes the
goats.
goats.
Here they come, they're coming down for it.
Coming to get some food.
This one knew if it waited long enough,
You wanna do it?
we would feed him.
Yeah.
Oh, they're all coming now.
Drop it. There you go. And now we turn it. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got this one.
All right, you gotta put it down. Good job. Look, they're eating it. They're eating your food. They're eating your food.
Looks like our next activity is going to be shooting some corn out of these gun things. Like a ear of corn out the gun. Pick out your corn, Asher.
You gotta push this button right here. Here, I'll plug your ears.
Whoa!
Oh, there it goes, there it goes.
Where'd it go?
Where did it land?
Oh, that smushed. Whoa! Whoa!
Goodbye.
Oh, so close.
I can hear him. He's so cute. Good job, Asher. Here comes Judah. Woo! Yeah. Next up, the boys are gonna ride this bee train all by themselves, like big boys. Give the tickets to the guy. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Ethan. I'll be your tractor driver for today. I just have 2 rules on my bee train. Make sure we stay seated throughout the entire ride. Make sure we keep those seatbelts on. Is everybody ready? Alright, guys.
You and me, Asher.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Asher. Bye, Judah.
Bye. Off into the sunset. Oh, my babies are all grown up, doing things all by themselves.
Can we go get dinner now, or how long are they on that? A couple hours?
Right. Woohoo! There's my baby. Oh no! What happened? Why is Asher crying? Oh no. He's fine. He had fun on the train. That wasn't the issue. He just got a little scared because Judah hopped out of his bee. Asher was still buckled and couldn't get unbuckled, and he just thought no one was gonna come get him. So He's fine. The sun is starting to set. We're kind of wrapping up our day here at the farm. We've been here for about 5.5 hours. I took my Magic Mind at the very beginning, pretty much when we first got here. Feeling good still, feeling energized. I feel like I could spend a few more hours here just playing. But that's what I like about Magic Mind. It gives me energy, it gives me focus, but I don't get that jittery coffee feel. I love coffee, don't get me wrong. Coffee is my best friend, but it does kind of make the heart pump a little bit and gives you the jitters. You guys know what I mean. But Magic Mind doesn't do that, and I feel very awake, very alert. Just this little bottled drink gives you so much. I highly encourage you to check it out. You do get a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you get it and you don't like the taste or it just doesn't work for you, get your money back and it's all good. If you do want to check it out, use my link. I'll put it all down in the description so you can easily find it. Use my code Ellington20 and you're going to get up to 56% off your first subscription for the next 10 days. The holiday season is coming up. You're gonna need that extra energy to get through the holidays. You're gonna need that extra focus. You're gonna need a boost in your productivity to get all your stuff done. So this is the perfect time to give it a try. So yeah, use my link, use my code, and you're set. You're good to go. I do want to say a big thank you to Magic Mind for sponsoring this video, and I want to say thank you to you guys for watching and going to the farm with us, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!
Bye guys, thanks for watching.